Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a very easy decorative pillow cover. I've already marked my fabric, and what you do is just with tailor chalk measure 2 inches between each line going each way all across the front piece of your fabric. So what I've done is I put a twin needle in. I switched my machine to 2 needles, and you put the tension as high as you can go, and then use a smaller size stitch. And you could do this 2 ways. You can go straight and just make squares, like just go down like this and then across. But what I'm going to try to do is go from one corner to the other on each square. So I'm done the first row, and I just went back and forth. And now the next row I'm going to go down. I'm going to do the opposite. So I've just finished doing 2 rows, and with the tight tension and the smaller stitches and the twin needles, I'm giving it a nice raised edge going down, and I'm going to repeat this all the way across the top piece of the fabric. So I'm just going to steam this to get rid of the tailor chalk marks. I'm making a 16 by 16 inch pillow, so I cut this piece to be 16 by 16 inches. And then for the back of the pillow, I'm going to make it without a zipper, so it's going to be like an envelope. And I cut 2 pieces that are 16 by 10 inches, and we're just going to hem these edges and sew it together. Since I'm hemming the 2 pieces on the back, I'm going to use the twin needle as well. And so you're going to have to, what I did was I pressed down the hem, and we're going to stitch it on this side. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye for now.